Alexa, switch on the lights. What seemed to be a scene from Star Trek just a few years ago is everyone's reality today. And our cars are no different. The way we interact with them has changed dramatically over the years. Case in point, the Mercedes Me app that we reviewed just a few months ago that you can watch right here. But today is all about the evolution and the next step in the Mercedes Me world. As expected in the tech and auto industry, the pace of development has been rapid, and Mercedes owners can now boast of having one of the most advanced connected car features on the planet. The promise of over-the-air updates is real. In fact, in little over a year, Mercedes Me Connect has expanded from having 33 to over 43 features now. It seems that the engineers at Mercedes-Benz haven't been sitting still even for a second. So what's new? Well, there are tons of new improvements, but the headline-grabbing ones are the integration of Amazon Alexa and Google Home Assistant into the Mercedes Me app ecosystem. So now you can just use your voice to interact with your star car. Now, we've all been in scenarios where our hands are tied up and we are busy with slightly more important chores than usual. And it's always difficult to manage so many things in your hands, and thankfully, interacting with your car is a slightly more easier affair now, thanks to the new voice assistant support in the Mercedes Me system. Here's how you do it. Alexa, ask Mercedes my fuel level.
Your Mercedes has 90% fuel left.
Just so convenient, sitting right here on my couch. As always, setting up Mercedes Me Connect is a 5-minute and a 2-click affair. Your Mercedes-Benz dealer or consultant creates your customer account using your vehicle's unique VIN number, and all you have to do is open up the Mercedes Me app and activate the services. Adding Alexa skills is again just a 2-step process. Open the Alexa app on your phone, look for the Mercedes Me skill under the More tab, then enable it and link account. Voila! Time to get chatty with your Mercedes. So, if you're in close proximity to the car, you can of course use your car keys to unlock your Mercedes. But if you're not, then Alexa will do it for you. So the key word here is Ask Mercedes, and with it, you can really make light work of some mundane tasks. Of course, you can buy a dedicated Amazon Echo device or you can buy a Google Home Assistant, but you can just very well use your phone with the Amazon Alexa app installed on it. And keeping with the current social distancing norms, let's say there's a courier delivery for you. All you have to do is ask Alexa to unlock your Mercedes doors, let the courier guy drop in the parcel and lock the doors via your voice assistant. Simple as that, without ever getting close to their courier person. How's that for safety? Alexa, ask Mercedes to unlock the door. Alexa, tell Mercedes to lock the door. So as you saw, it's as simple as that to get a package delivered to your Mercedes with the Mercedes Me app. But the Amazon Echo device is a lot smarter than that, and your Mercedes of course is a lot more expensive than that. So it can do a lot more combined. Let me show you how. Having a busy day? No problem, just set your reminders on Alexa and the MBUX will remind you when the time is right.
Reminder, buy flowers.
But that's not all. Even parking is made so easy. There is no more need for parking anxiety because the new MBUX has an OTA push, which means that you can actually get the closest parking lots delivered right to your sat-nav just with 2 clicks. And it also further segregates the parking lots into covered and uncovered lots, which is fantastic depending on the value of the car you're driving. And this is not just a feature for new Mercedes-Benz owners, but even existing and older owners. It's just an OTA update, so keep checking for those updates and you can unlock this feature for free. Alternatively, you could even just search for the parking lot closest to your destination and push it to the MBUX system. The nav screen shows the closest parking lot that is chosen. While these features are available on all new Mercedes models by default, even existing owners will be able to use these via automatically pushed OTA updates, and all they have to do is activate the service through their apps. It's no secret that I love tech, but it's especially satisfying to see your expensive investment paying dividends long after you bought it. And the Mercedes Me app has grown so much in functionality. These days, you also get POIs for parking like we just saw. You get POIs for electric vehicles if you're lucky enough to own an EQC. It also can remotely open and lock doors, remote engine start, a whole host of features, and all of this is for free for Mercedes owners, new and old. So really, if you have a Mercedes-Benz, there is no real reason to not use the Mercedes Me app. It's one of the most feature-loaded on the planet. It's one of those things that you thought you never needed until you use it once. Alexa, ask Mercedes to lock the car.